When it comes to relaxing, Animal Crossing is already the best card for Nintendo to play. But there's a way this game became even cozier. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Animal Crossing is a game where you can decorate your home, talk to cute neighbors, and just enjoy a quiet village life. But fans think the game could be even better if it became a full farming game. In the last update, players could finally grow a few plants, like tomatoes and carrots, and everyone loved it. They said Nintendo should take this idea and make it the main part of the next game on the new console. Imagine having a big farm that grows as you play. You could plan where the crops go and use new tools to water them. This would fit perfectly with the way the game follows real time. Most farming games move very fast, but Animal Crossing lets you take your time. It would give you a reason to log in every day to check on your harvest. The game could have two main areas, your private farm and a busy town. This way you get the peace of farming and the fun of hanging out with friends in the city. You could sell your crops to pay off your debt to Tom Nook. It would feel much better to earn money by farming than just picking up shells on the beach. This change would make the game feel fresh and deep. Neighbors could have their own shops and routines in the town, making the world feel alive. Farming's a huge part of cozy games, and Animal Crossing is the perfect series to lead the way. It will keep old fans happy and bring in many players who love to grow things. If Nintendo actually does this, it'll be the ultimate way to relax and create a world of your own. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.